Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest on a Dell Latitude 7370. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to separate and remove bottom base. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect antenna cable and remove wireless card. Now unscrew, then remove bracket and SSD. Now disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Then disconnect and remove speakers. Then unscrew and disconnect mouse buttons. Now disconnect and remove LED cable. Then loosen antenna cable. Now disconnect and remove wireless antenna. Then unscrew, then disconnect bracket and display cable. Then disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now remove keyboard screws and bracket. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.